Hi guys, my name is Vikram. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we'll show you how to configure Nerdio Manager. Okay, so open the portal. In the portal, search for the resource group that we created earlier for the Nerdio Manager, and we installed the Nerdio Manager in the last video. Who don't know how to do it, you can just go and check my last video. Okay, so the last video and the last time we create a resource group Nerdio Manager. You can just kind of simply go to the resource manager and you will be able to see that Nerdio Manager is my resource group. And in that, guys, in the resources, just see that in the resources here, you need to search for the app service. And here is my app service, not plan, app service. Click on the app service. Okay, once this is opened, or you do like no, so once you open that, you'll find one link, one URL link. Copy that, just copy it from the from this page and open in the browser as a new tab. Open it. Now guys, we have to run these commands to to configure our Nerdio manager, right? So what we require is we go back to the portal and we need to open the PowerShell. So we will be running all these commands in the PowerShell. So just open the PowerShell, and in the PowerShell it will be open like this. Now go to that page that we just opened the link, and from here just copy this PowerShell command. Just copy that. Once you copy it, go back to your portal in the PowerShell, just right click it and paste it. Once you paste this command, okay, then just hit enter. Then it will be start installing the configuration, so it will take some time. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll pause the video because it will take like 5 to 10 minutes to configure that. Okay, and just let me pause the video. Okay, so this is completed. So what you just require is either you need to refresh this URL or you can just copy that and open it again. Copy it and go there and open it again. It will prompt you for the user ID and password once again. Enter that. Sorry, I entered the wrong user ID and password. Okay, so it will be like now open the black screen. Now in the black screen, you need to complete all the steps which are given and which are unchecked. Especially you need to fill up those. So first of all, I need to do this one. We need to click on the Nerdio Manager registration. So click on that. Just fill up your name, your default directory, your name, for example, and your address, my number. Okay, then register it. So first registration is going to complete one step. See, this is checked. Second, we need to click on the network. So in the network, if I click on this and I select my own network, a virtual network that you guys already created, right? If it's not, go ahead and create it. Okay, so go to RG. This is my, and I need to pick up my subnet. Okay, so this is my network resource group and this is my subnet, and I clicked OK. Guys, very simple steps to configure it. Okay, this is also created. Now I need to create a directory. So directory is my active directory, my on-prem directory, which is basically synced to my Azure Active Directory. Okay, So you can give the name of your profile. So you can, I say like my Nardio profile or Nardio AD. You can give the name of your choice. Okay, the Active Directory, right? This is only that I need to create like no only Active Directory, and the domain name, guys. So domain name is basically I sync my on-prem domain to my Azure Active Directory. So what I'll do, I'll find out from here. I'll go from here, go for Azure Active Directory, and I'll just close this one. So in the Azure Active Directory, if I go to the users, or I can just click on overview also, I can just simply copy this. This is my domain, and I just need to go again on that page, and I need to put the AD domain. This is my domain name. My user ID is very important, guys. Your domain admin account that you used to create your domain controllers, or like you have an admin account in your domain, and which should have a domain level access, domain admin level access. Okay, so this was my user ID. Okay, and the password. Remember the password. And if you know the organization unit, you can do that. But right now I'm not performing it. Just click OK. So that is also configured. Now another is file storage. Okay, so file storage is basically where you configure your FSLogix profile management path. You can configure there. So right now I haven't configured that, so I will click it on skip this step. So I'll skip this step right now, and after that the final one is I need to go for this enterprise, enable enterprise. It's up to you guys. If you want to enable it, you can enable it. If you don't want to enable it, it's fine. So right now I'm not enabling it because I don't require a 365 licenses at this moment. Okay, so just a second, cancel that. And in the AVD object model, you just need to click on hybrid ARM non-prom, or the better click on hybrid ARM and non-ARM. Simply done it. It will take few moments. Okay, so it will ask you click on each tenant name below grant. Just guys read these instructions like properly, and perform the task as per this, because after filling up all this information, after then it will ask you for some consent. So just read this carefully and give the consent. So it's asking for this consent. I've granted the consent. Okay, so it's saying that service principal missed require permissions. Try the grant admin access. We cannot the tenant. So guys, I don't have access on this one. So what I require is I just need to go to default directory. Okay, and I'll grant the access. Click on that. So just click accepted. Access granted. So go back to that page again, and now click OK. So now this is completely configured, and this is your Nerdio Manager console. And you have different options, like your dashboard, your workspace. You can create your workspace from here. You can create your desktop images from here. You can monitor your environment from here, or your whole environment. You have storages, you have rollback roles, you can see there. You have settings, you have updates, and everything you will find in this console. So this is very helpful for the managing your AVD environment. So in the this is the end of this video. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a desktop images in the Nerdio Manager, and how to create the host pools workspace in the Nerdio Manager. Till then, thank you so much. Take care.